Hi there, let's continue our learning. So here we have to match with theories of cavern formation with their scholars. We have already deal with such questions, that is water table theory is given by Swinnerton, static water zone theory by Gardner, invasion theory by Malott, two cycle theory by Davis. Next, what is the name for the term which suggests that the same processes that operate today operate over long time scale, very long time scale? It is uniformitarianism, means the present is the key to the past. Same processes that operate today operate over very long time scales, that is uniformitarianism, meaning the present is the key to the past, given by Hutton. Next, the Vindhya system of rocks is important for the production of, A is the correct answer, precious stone and building material. In Vindhya system of rock we can get marbles and even we can get diamonds in Panna region. So it is A. Next, which is the final stage of the cycle of erosion? We have already deal, that is Peniplain, the term given by Davis. Next, which of the following is the product of vulcanicity? There are four options and the correct option is Caldera. Caldera is nothing, we can see this image. This is a form of caldera. The roof have been collapsed and it has formed a caldera. What is caldera? Caldera is nothing but a large depression formed when volcano erupts and collapses. So option C is the correct for the product of vulcanicity. Next, the average density of the earth is 5.5 gram per centimeter cube. You will wonder, the oceanic crust and even continental crust and margins are less than this, but why the average density of earth is more than their density? It is due to, as we have discussed earlier, that we move from the surface to the interior of the earth, the density will increase. So once we reach at the core, the density will be up to 10 or even maximum. That is the maximum we can get, maximum density. That is knife. The core is generally made up of knife, meaning nickel and ferrous, meaning iron. That has the highest density. So on an average the density of earth is 5.5 gram per centimeter cube. To be precise, it is 5.51 gram per centimeter cube, and you can also say 5.51 gram per centimeter cube. Is clear? Next, world's biggest freshwater lake is Baikal Lake. Baikal Lake, in terms of volume, it is about 20% of the Earth's fresh surface water. See, where is Baikal? This is in Russia. Here is the Baikal. See, this is Mongolia, China, Mongolia, and then it comes Baikal in the Russia. See, this is the diagram of or map of a Baikal Lake. That is the fresh water, and it is the largest in term of volume. Next, Sierra Nevada is the name of, we have discussed earlier questions. Sierra Nevada is one of the most important mountain systems in the US. So it is a mountain in America, and others two are Rocky Mountain and Appalachian Mountain. So Sierra Nevada, Rocky Mountain and Appalachians are three important mountain ranges in US. So it is a mountain in America. Next, any landform is a function of its structure, process and time propounded by, it is obvious, William Morris Davis. That is also called trios of Davis. Here already written, that is trios of Davis is structure, process and time. Next, the distance between the North Pole and South Pole is 180 degree. How? See, this is equator and latitudes is parallels. So after 1 degree it reached up to 90 degree to the North Pole, that is 90 degree, and again in the southern hemisphere meaning South Pole it is 90 degree. So 90 plus 90 is 180 degree. We have to find distance in terms of degree because option has given degree, so it is 180 degree. Next, which of the following belongs to Terrigenous sediments? Focus on this word Terrigenous. Terry is related to terrestrial meaning land. So which should be the answer? The answer is B, quartz, sand, clay. And calcareous siliceous oozes are pelagic deposit, that is in deep ocean. And manganese nodule, it is even this these are found in deep ocean. And tektite sphere, whatever left or comes due to meteorites, that is tektite. So it will be clear from this diagram. See, this is Terrigenous land and coast. We can find Terrigenous deposit, and continental shelf, neritic shallow water, pelagic abyssal plain. Here we will get oozes, calcareous and siliceous oozes. Okay. Now, so which of the following belongs to the Terrigenous sediments? It is quartz, sands and clays. Next, which one of the following features is the product of river deposition? Which should be answer according to you? What do you think? It is levee. Levee is the product of river deposition. How? See map. See this diagram. How natural levee is formed. This is a situation when there is no flood. This is a river channel. The water level is here. Once it is overflooded, means flood come, the coarser material will deposit near here and the fine material away from the coast here. After several floods, it leads to natural levee buildup of many floods. So it acts as a embankment. So what was our questions? Features of product of river deposition. It is levee. Scree is it is not due to river deposition, neither landside, neither earth pillar. Next, Nunatak is the rock peak surrounded by ice. It is the correct answer. There is rock peak, and when it is surrounded by ice, that is Nunatak. It will be clear from this picture. See, this is a picture of Nunatak. This is a Nunatak. It is surrounded by ice. It is clear? Next, which of the following is not associated with limestone topography? So there are four options. Sinking Creek, it is the limestone topography. Bogus, it is also. Hanging Valley, we have discussed earlier. If you have remembered, Hanging Valley is a result of glaciation or due to erosional features of the glacier. So Hanging Valley is not associated with limestone topography. C is the answer. And karst window, it is obvious from the word. It is a limestone topography. See how hanging valley look like. This is a hanging valley. We have discussed this diagram and how it in real picture it look like. This is a hanging valley. It is a result of glaciation, not limestone topography. So this is the correct answer. And uh, others terms are karst window. This is karst window. This is happens in karst region. This is also a bogus, and even it is called sinking creek. There is difference between sinking creek and bogus. In a valley, the water often gets lost through cracks and fissures in the bed. These are called sinking creeks, and if their tops are open, they are called bogus. So, what was our questions? Not associated with limestone topography, that is hanging valley. It happens due to glaciations, and others are features of limestone topography. Next, which of the following is formed as a result of tectonic forces? This is a repetition of a question we have discussed earlier. It is Rift Valley. Try to recall from this image. This is a feature of African continent. Nile river flow from here and there is rift. So it happens due to tectonic forces. So it is Rift Valley. You can see this represent how the divergence of plates lead to Rift Valley. So that's all. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.